HackerRank helps technical recruiters and hiring managers identify quality developers with the right skills early in the hiring process, saving days, if not weeks, of valuable recruiting and engineering time. Whether you're hiring early talent or experienced developers, HackerRank's technical hiring platform allows you to thoroughly assess your developers' technical and problem-solving skills through relevant code challenges. Send code challenges for candidates to complete and screen the most promising candidates using CodeScreen. Advance your top performers and conduct live interviews in a collaborative coding environment using CodePair. Assess the strength of your code challenges and grow your tech brand with insights. Let's take a look. Start by creating relevant tests in partnership with your technical hiring teams for the role you're hiring for. Choose from a list of out-of-the-box tests that span a wide range of roles and experience levels, or create customized tests, leveraging a library of over 1,400 questions across more than 35 languages. View recommended test questions with your technical hiring teams, modify if needed, and publish. Now you're ready to send personalized invitations to candidates, individually or in bulk. Once they accept the challenge, candidates enter HackerRank's quality coding environment that supports developer tools and improves efficiency to complete their challenge. Candidates can also leave their feedback on your challenges. Once the test is done, we automatically review the code for correctness, quality, and efficiency, and generate a candidate's HackerRank score, relieving your engineering teams from manually checking code. Sort scores to pinpoint the strongest talent, and then dive deep into their performance with detailed reports. View code snapshots, areas of strength, places where they struggled, and flags for plagiarism. Great, you now have a short list of qualified candidates. Hiring teams can conduct a live coding interview with qualified candidates from anywhere with CodePair. CodePair offers a comfortable online coding environment where interviewers and candidates interact in real time using text-based chat, voice, or video. Candidates can choose their preferred language and support tools to work with in the coding environment, which makes for a great candidate experience. An experience that a traditional whiteboarding session can't deliver. Once the challenge is complete, interviewers can test their code in real time, get a clear picture of candidates' capabilities, and make better hiring decisions faster. Improve recruiting efficiency further by seamlessly integrating with your ATS and send tests, track assessments, and analyze skills. Get a deeper look into the strength of your assessments and fine-tune your screening criteria for long-term success with insights. Join over 35,000 recruiters and hiring managers who have transformed tech recruiting with HackerRank and now have a competitive advantage when it comes to winning skilled talent.